Hi, I'm Amanda with BulbAmerica.com. This video is about the FEL bulb. The FEL bulb has 1000 watts, 120 volts, a G9.5 base with a CC8 filament. Now I just want to point out there are a few major brands that produce this bulb. So we're looking at GE, Ushio, Osram, and Platinum. Now all of these manufacturers, they produce or they build their bulb just a little bit differently. So now I just want to talk a little more deeply about the FEL bulb. So if we look at the filaments of the bulb, all of the filaments, they look pretty much identical, while they do vary somewhat. But this is just the manufacturer's way of building the bulb, and it doesn't actually increase or decrease the quality of the light output or the bulb itself. Now also you'll notice that there are a few different bases. So these aren't different base types, they're just a different way of building them. So some of them are made out of aluminum, and you see there's one that's made out of ceramic. And some of them have like a longer notch in the front, or two smaller notches, or one small notch, or one dot. But again, this does not affect the quality or the light output of the bulb. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that if you want to go lower in wattage when it comes to the FEL bulb, you want to use an EHG bulb. This is the perfect replacement. Actually, the FEL bulb has 1000 watts and the EHG bulb has 750 watts. So now let me just take the Osram bulb, for example. So we have two Osram bulbs. One is an EHG and one's an FEL. So the thing to remember when it comes to downgrading the bulb is that, or downgrading the wattage, is that you want to make sure you have the same voltage, the same base, and the same filament. So the EHG is actually a 120 volt, G9.5 base, and a CC8 filament. The only difference is its wattage. So this would be a perfect replacement for the FEL bulb when you want to downgrade your wattage. Now the last thing to remember is when you're plugging in your bulb, you never want to handle it by the glass itself. You always want to plug the bulb into its socket by the base. This will ensure that you don't break the bulb, because at its weakest point is where the base and the glass meet. So you just want to make sure that you're always handling it by its base. And the last thing I want to mention, although these are different manufacturers, they all produce the same bulb, so they're all 100% interchangeable with one another. If you once had a GE bulb and now you're going to be switching over to a Platinum bulb, they're 100% interchangeable, so you'll receive the same quality of light output. And if you have any questions or need any further information, you can feel free to visit www.BulbAmerica.com, or you can call us at 1-888-505-2111. Thanks for watching.